Hello students, welcome back to your English grammar class. We did the first chapter, the sentences, in our previous class, and now we are going to continue with the third chapter. That is articles. So we'll be doing articles today. I have shared a video already. I have shared one link for the explanation of the chapter, and I hope by now you all are very familiar with articles. In the name of the chapter is articles and their uses. So in this chapter we are going to learn about where to use a, an and the. As we all know that there are three articles: a, an and the. Okay, a and an are called indefinite articles. I hope you all know. Now moving on to the first exercise, I'll be showing you all how to solve the exercise. Okay, so the first one is fill in the blanks with a, an or the suitably. Okay, so you have to fill in the blanks with a, an and the. The honest man speaks dash truth. The honest man speaks the truth. Now see, for example, the fifth one. I purchased a knife, an inkpot and a book. Okay, you've used an over here, you've used a over here, and you've used a before book, because we use an before vowels and a before consonants, and when we are talking about something specific, then we use the. Similarly, now see the second one, B exercise. Rewrite the following sentences inserting or omitting articles wherever necessary. Okay, from this sentence you have to either insert an article or omit. Okay, I admire honesty of this man. So you think this sentence is fine, or you need to make any corrections? Yes, you need to make corrections. Okay, I admire the honesty of this boy. So the answer will be I admire the honesty of this boy. Now see the second one. Draw map of India. This is right? No, it's not proper. So what will you do? You will insert a before map. Draw a map of India. Now see the sixth one. Have you ever seen elephant? This is fine? No, again this is not fine. What do you need to insert? Yes, we need to insert an before elephant. We don't say a elephant, we say an elephant. Have you ever seen an elephant? Okay, the rest of the remaining questions you have to do on your own. Now see the exercise C. Choose the correct article from the options and fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to choose the correct options, whether it is whether a and the, what will be used, or there will be no article. They usually spend their holidays in dash mountains. The mountains, no article, a mountains, in the mountains. So you have to write over here the. Now see the second one. I don't like dash dogs, but I like my brother's dog. So what will be here? A, no article, or the. I don't like dogs, but I like my brother's dog. No, that will be wrong. I don't like the dogs, but I like my brother's. No, again that will be wrong. But if you read like I don't like dogs, but I like my brother's dog, then it is right. So here you have to put tick on no article and put a cross over here. Now see the fourth one. Los Angeles has dash ideal climate. Los Angeles has no article, an or the. Yes, an, because there's an I, so you put an. Sania Mirza is dash tennis player. See the sixth one. The, a or no article. So Sania Mirza is a tennis player. Similarly, you have to solve the remaining questions from exercise A, B and C. If you all have any queries, you all can ask me. I will also be sharing the link for the explanation of the chapter. Please view it properly, and I hope you all understand. Any doubts, you all can contact me. Thank you.